With more than 2.5 billion people using the internet and social media, it's impossible to control your online reputation without a game plan. Hi, my name is Curtis Boyd and I am here to talk about online reputation management. Online reputation management is an important part of most marketing strategies today. The best way to protect yourself against negative reviews or comments on sites like Yelp and Google Reviews is by engaging with them in a timely manner before they have time to spread across the web, as well as monitoring all future posts about you for any new activity that might require intervention. Online reputation management is the practice of monitoring and managing online information about a business in order to protect and improve their online reputation. Reputation management is an important part of a business strategy. Consumers are increasingly using review sites to compare and research businesses before making their purchases, or even choosing not to make a purchase at all due to negative reviews. This video post will help you understand reputation management and the ways in which it can help your business. Having a bad reputation online can ruin your business. It doesn't matter if you have the best products and services, negative reviews will drive potential customers away. That is why every company should invest in an online reputation management strategy. Take a minute, we know, work has consumed your time. But the truth is that you can't afford to leave reputation management progress up to chance. There are many factors at play that go into shaping each person's view of who you are and what you stand for. You might be projecting a professional image in emails and presentations, but on social media or news outlets, it may not come off quite so well. That being said, don't worry. Reputation management is completely within your grasp. In fact, there may have never been an easier way to improve online reputation. Objection.co is an online reputation management service that helps you manage your digital footprint and prevent small-time, frivolous flaws from snowballing into the days ahead.